The requirements for mounting systems on roofs are rising. Not only the norms, also the installers have their own expectations. How to work a mounting system. How a supplier will solve this problem, you learn now. Welcome to the booth of SLREC. On my side, I welcome Ludwig Maximilian Schletter from SLREC. Mr. Schletter, the requirements on roof for the installation are rising, and working on tiles is not mandatory anymore. How do you solve these requirements?
We have a new tile replacement. This is our D-plate. A D-plate is formed like the tile itself. It fulfills every requirement by the ZVDH. It's a German carpenters organization that works to define how a tile has to be placed, and also the roof works have to be made. For that, we have developed a new system, our D-plate. It's more easy to install than other comparable systems, and it's also very beautiful. It's made in gray and in red, but I can show you how we mount it.
That's good. So I see here an installation wall.
This is our special tile wall for the placement of the D-plate. In this case, I have to remove the tiles, then I place the D-plate. I take my screws, everything with Torx 40. I have this one, this hole. Perfect. The first one, then the second one, and the third one behind there.
Just 3 screws with one tool.
Just 3 screws, everything is pre-mounted. As you can see, it saves a lot of time. So, just 2 again, and then you're finished. Basically, it makes it very easy and very precise, and you fulfill every requirement by the ZVDH, which makes it very easy. And like you can see here, everything is pre-mounted, and so you have not to look around and move parts anywhere. Makes it very easy and very flexible.
Okay, and of which material is the tile made?
It's currently made out of steel. It's coated with red dye, so basically there should be no problem.
Yeah. And how do you bring the loads into the roof?
We bring the loads underneath. We have a special angle with also made of steel, and also a seal set, and this transfers the load from the roof hook into the batten underneath it.
Yeah, it's a very proper solution. It's very fast.
Very installer friendly.
Yeah, and all requirements are solved. And on the flat roof, the requirements are different. Roofers or installers want a flexible, fast mounting system, and you have one solution of that.
Our fast flat is the perfect solution for that. Let's show it.
Let's look. So I see here a flat roof system. The fast flat.
This is our fast flat system. Like you can see, basically it consists of 2 parts. This frame and our roof shoe. Basically, that's it. Everything is pre-installed, as you can see here and also here. Everything is pre-installed. How do you install it? Basically, it's just a simple movement like this. It clicks in. Now it's in. And then the only thing you do is this one.
That's it.
Yeah, that's it. You just click in the next frame, and that's basically how you move and install your entire flat roof system. We also have special solutions, for example, lightning protection. In this case, we have our lightning protection clamp that can also be used on the roof, pitched roof. Also the same one, also here, our standardized middle clamp also can be used on a pitched roof, which makes the storage very low, not as expensive with different systems. That's basically it. The ballast you put on the rail itself, the base frame. If you need special spaces in between, you have also the possibility you can place them there, you can place them in behind. If you need more space just to walk through it, or if the shadowing is very large, or you want to minimize the shadowing, you can also increase the distance in between with those spaces like you need it. If you have a lot of ballast, we have also a solution for that. This is our ballast frame. Then you can put your stones in between, and if there's the next base frame.
Yeah. And do you have also a solution for weak roofs or for weak insulations?
For sure. With insulation, there's a problem because they might be very weak, and if you put a flat roof system on them, the snow might push them into the ground, and then the insulation gets damaged. Therefore, we have a solution. It's our larger plates. You just put them underneath, also click them in, and then you basically have a larger area where the snow can deflect the force to, and therefore we have a perfect solution for that also as well.
Yeah, and you can use several shoes
Underneath it, yeah.
How to load this.
One here, one here, one here, and also one in the rear, and so therefore it's we can build on every roof. We have a solution for everything. Also, when it comes very tricky, we have a solution for that as well.
Yeah, and it's south and east-west as well?
Yeah, we have the same frame for south and east-west, which makes it also very easy for storage, because if some projects leave some, let's say, base frames behind, then you can use it just for the next one, and there's no problem for that.
Yeah, and you have very
flexible
system, very easy to install. Exactly. Thank you very much. And you have a new message about the energy wall, the facade solution of SLREC.
Exactly. Our facade system now has a DBT RBZ, a regulatory necessity for building PV on the wall. Exactly. I will show it to you.
Yeah, let's look. So this is the energy wall, the facade solution of SLREC.
Yeah, exactly. This is our facade system. The large advantage of our facade system is that we clamp the modules. Other systems just push them in and they might click around and make a noise. Our system doesn't make that. But how do we install them? We just put the modules in, then we tighten the screw, then we put this aluminum profile above it, hide the screw, then we put the end cap above the end, and there you have an optical, very impressive solution, and which the customer likes a lot. What is also very important is that we have this facade fastener. There's the possibility when the drilling holes into the facade that they are not as perfect as you would like them to have them. And therefore you can just mount them more perfectly with the fastener and adjust them by some millimeters if you need to, and then it's perfectly horizontal and you can mount your entire energy wall perfectly. The energy wall now has, like I said, the requirements by the dipped, and now you can officially mount them, the structure also on PV, on walls, on facades.
Yeah, this approval is very, very important for the facade. Thank you very much, Mr. Schletter, for the super products, for the perfect presentation. And if you want to know more about SLREC, please use the website.